this cooking is amazing. Today we're going to be making a recipe that as a kid I didn't really like when I was growing up. We're making meatloaf, but we're going to make an Italian meatloaf. We're going to stuff it with fresh mozzarella, then we're going to cook it out on the grill. It's going to be great. Watching very much. That's going to wrap us up for the meatloaf today. I hope you enjoyed it. That was the first time I've ever actually made a meatloaf that I honestly really enjoyed. I know it sounds biased, but the flavor combination that we had in that loaf with the cheese in the middle and the parsley and the Italian seasoning, it just really made it. And the glaze on top, it had a little bit of brown sugar in it, so it made a little bit of sweetness to it. You can omit that in the recipe if you want to, if you don't like the sweetness. But it just set the whole thing off. We really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get out there and cook it for yourself, make it for your family. like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can see everything upcoming. And as always, from my family to yours, thank you and God bless.